The Canon EOS R9 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting APS-C mirrorless cameras expected in 2025, with growing anticipation across the photography and filmmaking community. Early leaks suggest that this model could represent a major leap beyond the EOS R7, not just in raw performance but in overall versatility and user experience. Rather than being a simple refresh, the Canon EOS R9 appears positioned as a next-generation hybrid camera designed to blur the traditional boundaries between APS-C and full-frame systems. If the rumored features hold true, it could significantly raise expectations for what a crop sensor camera can achieve. One of the standout rumors surrounding the Canon EOS R9 is its potential to record 4K video at 120 frames per second without any crop. This feature alone could make it a highly attractive option for videographers, as it allows for smooth slow-motion footage without sacrificing composition or field of view. In addition, there are hints that the Canon EOS R9 may even offer limited 8K recording capabilities, which, while possibly restricted by recording time or heat, would still mark a major milestone in the APS-C category. Combined with professional tools like 10-bit internal recording and Canon log profiles, the camera could appeal strongly to content creators who demand flexibility in post-production. Design and build quality also appear to be key priorities for Canon with this release. The Canon EOS R9 is rumored to feature a durable yet lightweight construction, likely combining magnesium alloy with high-quality polycarbonate materials. This would give the camera a premium feel while ensuring it remains practical for extended handheld use. Ergonomics are expected to improve as well, with a deeper, more refined grip compared to the EOS R7. This change would enhance comfort and control, especially when using heavier lenses such as telephoto zooms. Additionally, weather sealing is expected to be upgraded, offering better protection against dust and moisture for those who frequently shoot outdoors. Usability enhancements could further strengthen the appeal of the Canon EOS R9. A fully articulating 3.2-inch touchscreen is likely to be included, allowing users to shoot from a variety of creative angles. This feature is particularly useful for vloggers, solo creators, and anyone working in dynamic environments. The electronic viewfinder is also expected to see improvements, with a resolution that may exceed 3.6 million dots. This would provide a clearer and more immersive viewing experience, making it easier to compose shots accurately in both bright and low light conditions. Storage and workflow capabilities are another area where the Canon EOS R9 could stand out. The inclusion of dual card slots, one for SD/UHS-2 and another for CF Express, is widely rumored. This setup would allow for faster data handling and more reliable backup options, which are essential for professional workflows. Alongside this, connectivity is expected to be enhanced with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 support, enabling faster file transfers, improved remote control functionality, and smoother integration into modern production setups. At the core of the Canon EOS R9 is expected to be a newly developed stacked APS-C sensor, with the resolution likely falling between 32 and 40 megapixels. While the increase in resolution is notable, the real advantage lies in the stacked architecture, which enables significantly faster readout speeds. This helps reduce rolling shutter distortion and allows for higher burst shooting rates. It also opens the door to improved dynamic range and better low-light performance, giving photographers more flexibility across different shooting conditions. Paired with Canon's latest image processing technology, the camera is expected to deliver excellent color accuracy, smooth tonal transitions, and strong overall image quality. Autofocus performance is another area where the Canon EOS R9 is expected to excel. Building on Canon's well-established dual-pixel CMOS AF system, the camera could introduce even faster and more intelligent focusing capabilities. Enhanced subject detection is likely, including improved tracking for people, animals, and vehicles. This would make the camera highly effective for a wide range of applications, from portraits to sports and wildlife photography. Full-frame coverage of autofocus points across most of the sensor would also provide greater creative freedom when composing shots. Artificial intelligence is expected to play a growing role in autofocus performance, with advanced tracking algorithms helping the camera maintain focus on moving subjects. This predictive capability could be especially useful in fast-paced scenarios, ensuring consistent sharpness even when subjects move unpredictably. For professionals who rely on capturing critical moments, this level of precision could make a significant difference. Image stabilization is another highlight that could set the Canon EOS R9 apart. Rumors suggest it may offer up to 8 stops of in-body image stabilization, which would greatly enhance handheld shooting capabilities. When combined with stabilized lenses, this system could reduce camera shake in both stills and video, allowing for smoother results without additional equipment. This would be particularly valuable for run-and-gun shooters and those working in uncontrolled environments. Performance is expected to be a major strength of the Canon EOS R9. Thanks to the combination of a stacked sensor and a powerful processor, the camera could achieve continuous shooting speeds of up to 30 frames per second. This would make it an excellent choice for capturing fast-moving subjects, whether in sports, wildlife, or action photography. Improved buffer performance is also anticipated, allowing the camera to maintain high-speed shooting for longer durations without slowing down. In conclusion, the Canon EOS R9 has the potential to redefine the APS-C mirrorless category. It is not just an incremental upgrade but a substantial step forward, bringing advanced technologies that push the limits of what a crop sensor camera can offer. If Canon delivers on these expectations, the R9 could set a new standard for performance and versatility, making it one of the most influential camera releases in its segment.